This is the Frizlife reverse osmosis water filter system. What's so nice about this is that it does not use electricity because it doesn't need to be plugged in. There's no tank. It just operates completely by water pressure. So it's definitely very cost effective and also eco-friendly. And since it doesn't need to be plugged in, there's no noise or anything. It's very quiet, and it creates bottle grade mineral water at home infused with essential minerals, just like premium bottle brands. It comes with everything you need. The owner's manual is very easy to read. First, hold the flush and reset button at the same time. This screen display shows filter life and TDS value. When filters need to be changed, the internal filter element is all that needs to be replaced. The filter bottles can be used repeatedly. This system can produce very large volumes of water, about 600 to 900 gallons per day. And the pure water efficiency is as high as 80%. There are test reports and NSF standards to remove various harmful substances. It comes with a USB cable and the charging port is right on the top. It also comes with screws in case you wanted to mount it. It's recommended to mount the water filter at least 2 inches higher than the ground for easier filter replacement. This system has so many benefits, but what I really like is that the installation process is super simple. Next, you'll connect the inlet hose to the inlet port on the side of the system. Connect the inlet hose into the 3-way feed water valve. If your angle valve is 1/2 inch, you'll need to install the converter provided first. Make sure to turn off your water supply and then disconnect the cold water pipe from the angle valve. Twist the 3-way feed valve onto the angle valve until it's secure, and then reconnect your cold water hose to the open side of the feed valve. Then you'll want to cut the 1/4 inch red tubing in proper length, making sure to cut them squarely and cleanly. When choosing a spot on the drain pipe, make sure that you're choosing one that's vertical. Drill a 1/4 inch hole into the drain pipe. Then you can mount the drain saddle and tighten the screws. Then insert the 1/4 inch red tubing to the drain saddle and lock the fitting with a blue clip. Then insert into the wasted port on the system. You'll then need to drill a 1/2 inch hole so that you can mount your faucet. Then cut another 1/4 inch tubing in the correct length and insert into the filtered port on top of the system and lock the clips. Use the 1/4 inch quick fitting to connect the other end of the white tubing. Then you can go ahead and turn your cold water back on and make sure there are no leaks. Then that's it. That really didn't take us that long, maybe about 30 to 40 minutes. You will want to turn on the faucet for about 20 minutes just to let it run. This M800 system is designed for high flow, so you get filtered water quickly without reducing pressure. It removes contaminants like chlorine, lead, and sediments while keeping helpful minerals. And because it uses multi-stage setup, the filters last longer than standard under-sink units. You can also connect this to your refrigerator or ice maker by purchasing a connection kit. And then since there is no tank with this system, there is a little bit of a lag with the water flow. I don't feel like it's that bad though. I feel like it comes out pretty quick. But if you did want it to come out faster, or you feel like it's lagging too much, you could also purchase a mini tank. Overall, I think the taste is really clean. There's no chlorine smell. There's no aftertaste. It is smooth and fresh tasting. And I like that it keeps the beneficial minerals instead of stripping everything out. The system itself is surprisingly compact for something this powerful. Not having a tank frees up a ton of space under the sink, and the fact that it doesn't need electricity means no extra cords, no noise, and fewer points of failure long term. And I really like the smart display, being able to see the TDS levels in real time and know exactly when each filter needs to be replaced. Takes the guesswork out of maintenance. The Frizlife M800 feels like a big upgrade.